you said it's hurting my shoulder, but you're like this rather than like this. Do you see the difference? Watch this part of me. You're doing this versus this. So you want to try and rotate your elbow so that your elbow is down. And by changing that rotation and opening, because this I think is massive prone to injury. So you want to make sure you're not damaging your body when you're doing these flowers. Just changing the rotation from this to this with a softened elbow and a slight bend. So I'm not locking, a slight bend. I mean, your arm isn't as fat, so ignore that. But the elbow coming down like this, and you're facing this way, and this opens. So not this, but this. If you feel your neck scrunching, then you're not quite in the right place. Now you can try, this one drill will also be helpful. Standing like this, and then rotating into it one way, and then turning your body the other 180 degrees. And noticing the difference between this and this, this and this. You want to open like this, not this, but this. And just practicing that might help you get comfortable and develop the strength. I also would recommend, as another thing that would help, is these arm circles. And these. And then split time. And split time.